Hi everyone, this is Stephen over at iFoundAgent. Just wanted to cover with you kind of an alternate way to use the Campaign Builder. So the Campaign Builder, it's a part of our newer system. If you haven't heard about it and you're interested in maybe getting your site upgraded, check out ifoundagent.com/convert. And or if you already have the Campaign Builder, but you're looking for a video that teaches you what things mean and how things work. We got a lot of content on that at ifoundagent.com/knowledgebase, and we're doing training every week. ifoundagent.com/events. Okay, so now that I've put some shameless plugs out of the way, I wanted to cover with you a specific question or critique I get is that using the campaign builder in all of its glory, it can create a blog post for you on the fly really easily. One of the options in here just says, hey, create a blog post with this search criteria, and you get the option to add a title. So this is really awesome, and we're getting a lot of positive feedback because what used to be complicated is really streamlined in this new system, and it's really awesome that when you're creating a search for your client, you can create that search for your clients, put in the details, and then a copy of that search can be created as a blog post for general use. And the blog post, remember, is good because it adds SEO value to your website. It shows Google you've been updating things. It gives Google more information to sink its teeth into, more data. It can read through our listing data and it checks out the various links and other things that's attached to it. So it kind of adds some breadth to your website. So it's a good thing to keep blogging, and that's why we want you to do it. And we made it really easy with a click of this button. Okay, so the critique is, however, is that when the campaign builder makes the blog post itself, leaves a little bit to be desired. So I think I said that wrong, but you get what I mean. Um, when it makes the blog post, we're only telling it what the title is going to be, and the system only knows what the search criteria is, and it uses both of those things, but a blog post can be much more. And some people are used to making fancier blogs, and that's okay. So if you are one of those people that you want to use the campaign builder, but you don't like the way the blog post looks, and so let me pause real quick. Let me go back over to my blog post. So here's an example of a blog post done, I'm going to say quote unquote correctly. I did this one rather quick, but if you can see, I got a nice image here. I got some content here. It displays nicely on my website. And if I were to post this on Facebook, it would have a nice image attached to it. You know how links can have images and sometimes they don't, and there's a big difference um, for clickability whether it has an image or not. So this one, is a blog done, with a little more time, a little more effort, and it looks great. Um, and so this would be a blog done manually, and then the campaign builder makes the blogs a little more blah. We've got a title, and you don't really see the content until you click into it. And when you click into it, you do get that title and that search criteria, just like the information that the information it received. So if you're using the campaign builder and you don't like the way the blog posts come out, then what I would recommend doing is one of two things. Um, my first recommendation is to go ahead and let the campaign builder create the blog for you. So go ahead and use this tool, type in your blog, post title, finish the campaign builder, and then just go back and edit the blog. So if I'm already logged in, I can come back to my blog and I can just hit edit. Um, and once I'm editing, that image, that featured image is right here on the right hand side. I can click it and select a really nice image for that area and put a little more content in here. Obviously, and then I can just update my blog post. So now that I've updated my blog post, I can come back into my blog page. If I just refresh, boom, now this has a nice image and some content in here. And if you click in, you're going to get those search results. So that would be my number one recommendation way of doing it. Um, if you, there may be other situations where you decide not to let the system blog for you and then manually do a blog. You can do that as well. I just know that real estate agents just don't have a lot of time. There's a lot of things going on, and to commit yourself to remembering to go back and do a custom blog post and do the work all over again, it's probably not a good plan. It's a hard plan to follow. But if you're a meticulous person, you really want to make sure that blog post comes out good, you can always not blog here. And then once you're done with your campaign builder, go to posts, add new, and then make your blog post as fancy as you want it. You can add your title, um, and you can use the shortcode creator, the search creator, and build your search again, and use your featured image, add as much content as you want. So those are just a couple alternative ways that you can have fancy blog posts and use the campaign builder, in case that's a concern for you. All right, well, thanks for watching, and if you have more questions, just ping me support@ifoundagent.com. Thank you.